Today, I, Akar Singh from grade 7 is going to represent chapter 10 Properties of Triangle. So let's begin with today's contents. So today's contents are Introduction to Triangle, opposite side, opposite angle and opposite vertex of a triangle, interior and exterior of a triangle, types of triangle, median and altitude of a triangle, angles and property. So let's begin with what is triangle. A triangle is a closed figure formed by three line segments. This is the symbol used to denote triangle. A triangle has three vertices, three angles and three sides. Now let's see which are the three vertices, three sides and three angles. Now in triangle ABC, let's see the sides first. Side AB is a side, BC is a side and AC is a side. Now angles. There are three angles in this triangle. The first is BAC or angle A. Next is ABC or angle B. Next is BCA or angle C. Now vertices of a triangle. There are three vertices. Vertices simply means the corner of a triangle. So first vertex is vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. Now let's move on to next slide. Opposite side, opposite angle and opposite vertex of a triangle. We can understand this by this figure, triangle ABC. Now opposite sides. The side opposite to angle A is BC. Similarly, the side opposite to angle B is AC. Similarly, the side opposite to angle C is AB. Now opposite angles. The angle opposite to AB is angle C. The angle opposite to AC is angle B. The angle opposite to BC is angle A. Now opposite vertex. The vertex opposite to side BC is A. The vertex opposite to AB is C. Similarly, the vertex opposite to AC is B. Now let's move on to next one. Interior and exterior of a triangle. Firstly, let's talk about boundary of a triangle. The three sides of a triangle together form the boundary of a triangle. In triangle ABC, the side AB, BC and AC together form the boundary of a triangle. The points H and point G lie on the boundary of a triangle. Now interior of a triangle. The interior of a triangle is a set of points which lie inside the boundary of a triangle. Now in triangle ABC, the point I and point on the boundary J are interior of a triangle. Exterior of a triangle. The exterior of a triangle is a set of points which lie C. Similarly, the vertex opposite of a triangle. In triangle AB form the boundary and point G lie on the boundary of the triangle. Now interior of a triangle. The interior of a triangle is a set of points which lie inside the boundary of a triangle. Now in triangle ABC, the point I and point J are interior of a triangle. Exterior of a triangle. The exterior of a triangle is a set of points which lie outside the boundary of a triangle. In triangle ABC, the point D, E and F lie in the exterior of the triangle. Now next slide. Types of triangle. Triangle can be classified in two ways: on the basis of length of their sides, on the basis of measure of their interior. On the basis of length of their side, triangle can be classified in three ways: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Now on the basis of measure of their interior sides, the triangle can be classified in three ways: acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. Now let's discuss the types of triangle on the basis of length of their sides in description. Now, the first triangle is equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all the three sides are equal in length is known as equilateral triangle. Now, this is the figure of equilateral triangle. Here all three angles are 60 degree, and this is the sign used to represent that the sides are equal. All the three sides are equal. Now, isosceles triangle. A triangle in which two sides are equal in length is known as isosceles triangle. Now, this is the figure of isosceles triangle. Here, only two sides are equal and two angles are equal. Therefore, it is known as isosceles triangle. Now, scalar triangle. A triangle in which all the three sides are unequal in length is known as scalene triangle. This is the figure of scalene triangle. Here no sides are equal. As you can see, the all sides are different in measure. This is very small, this is little big, and this is very much big. Now, let's discuss about on the basis of measure of interior sides types of triangle. Acute angle triangle. A triangle in which all the three sides of the triangle. Acute angle triangle. A triangle in which all the three angles of a triangle are acute, that is less than 90 degree, is known as an acute angle triangle or acute triangle. Now let's see the figure. In triangle ABC, the angle A is 40 degree, angle B is 75 degree, and angle C is 65 degree. So all the angles are less than 90 degree. Therefore, it is an acute angle triangle. Now, obtuse angle triangle. A triangle in which one of the angles is obtuse, that is greater than 90 degree, is known as an obtuse angle triangle or obtuse triangle. This is a figure of obtuse angle triangle. Here, one is 30 degree, one is 40 degree, and the other is 110 degree. The one angle is greater than 90 degree, therefore it is called obtuse angle triangle. Right angle triangle. A triangle in which one of the angles is right angle, that is 90 degree, is known as right angle triangle or right triangle. Now you may be thinking why it is only one angle is 90 degree in right angle triangle. It is because if the sum of all three sides is equal to 180 degree, but if there will be two 90 degree angles of a triangle, the sum will not be 180 degree. Therefore, it is only one angle is 90 right angle. Now, let's see the figure of right angle triangle. In triangle WUP, the angle W is 56 degree, angle V is 34 degree, and angle U is 90 degree. The angle U is 90 degree. Because of that, it is a right angle triangle. Now, medians of a triangle. A median is a line segment joining the midpoint of a side of a triangle to its opposite vertex. In triangle ABC, B is the midpoint and AD is the median of triangle ABC, as it joins the side BC to its opposite vertex A. Now, altitudes of a triangle. A line segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle to its opposite side, such that the line is perpendicular to the other side, is called altitude of a triangle. Now, in triangle ABC, AL is perpendicular drawn from vertex A to its opposite side BC. Thus, AL is a perpendicular, so it is an altitude of triangle ABC. Now you might be thinking, what is the difference between altitude and median? So let's clear. A median is a line segment joining the midpoint of a side to its opposite vertex. But a altitude is a line segment drawn from a vertex to its opposite side, such that the line segment is perpendicular to the opposite side. Simply, it is 90 degree always, but it can form other angle also. It is not necessary that it will be a midpoint, but here it is necessary that it should be a midpoint. Now you may be clear about altitude and median of a triangle. Now, angle sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle states that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be always equal to 180 degree. Now let's see a question of angle sum property. Now the question is, the measure of the three angles of a triangle are 40 degree, 50 degree and x. Find the value of x. Also tell which type of triangle it is on the basis of measure of interior angle. Now the question is saying the measure of angle A is 40 degree, the measure of angle C is 50 degree, and we have to find the value of x. So solution of the question is, firstly we will add angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. The reason is angle sum property. So the addition of 40 and 50 will be 90 degree. 90 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Then x will be 180 degree minus 90 degree. Now the value of x is 90 degree. Now you may be clear about how to solve a sum using angle sum property. Thank you.